Hi there. Today in this short tutorial we will learn how to clean history and junk from Mozilla Firefox to make it more faster and easy to use. Firstly, open Mozilla Firefox. Simply press Ctrl Shift and Delete. This message box will appear. Time and history related boxes. Here you can uncheck any box not to delete. You can also check everything to delete, which will remove everything from this browser. But I want to remove for today only. Finally, clean now. Here I can see that the history and junks are clean as of today from the browser. So, this is how you can simply clear history and junks from your Firefox browser and make it faster. Hope you liked it. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.